Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. So, this top 5 carry items, number three, knife. This is the Flissa 2-inch blade. Looks like a drop point or clip point. Clip point? We'll go with clip point. 2-incher, yep, 2-inch blade, liner lock, G10 scales, handles, ergonomics good. You see the cutouts for the fingers, blah 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 and blah blah. You got your rope, wire cutter right there, slicey dicey, and your bottle opener right there, and your glass breaker right there, lanyard hole right there. So it's kind of a little multi-tool knife. No flipper action, just the little thumb cutout. Jimping on the top. Right there, some jimp. It's kind of aggressive, not really, but yeah, ergonomics fine. You can get in there, get down in there. Nice little clip point, pocket clip, excelente. Deep carry, tip down carry. So some people don't like it, but yeah, knife. Where would it rank on your top 5? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Would it make your top 5? I don't know. We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, EDC. Over and out.